We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign of what's going to happen to these other workers moving forward.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And also those who are shopping at both stores, much love to you. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And we see the market has a move up. Not a lot, but it's definitely up. The stock market, as we see, is down today. But what do we have going on this week? That's right, guys, the Fed. So we know Jerome Powell is in the house, guys. So we know the stock market is going to be up on the 27th. The Fed meets on the 26th and 27th. The stock market is always up, guys, when he's talking. And cryptos were either stable or up also. So, guys, make sure that you're doing your research. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just like I stated, please do your own research, guys. But, guys, we're definitely going to have an interesting week, a very volatile week. So that is a perfect time to make money. Why are we going to have a volatile week? Just like I said, the Fed meets. We also have CME on the 29th, Friday, guys. And then plus, guys, we know that we're the only ones in town on the weekends. The only game that's open. So remember what I stated, guys. We're going to make sure that we keep an eye on grayscale to see any manipulation. Make sure you're looking at those stable coins because that's going to let us know everything. Normally when we have CME, we take a move down and then we know on the 5th, they need Bitcoin as collateral. And then plus February 8th, we have Ethereum futures that open up. And then we'll also get the close date so then we know when they're able to cash out. And remember, guys, we have those facilities, those additional facilities that are closing March 31st. We know that cryptos and the stock market always take a dip in the first quarter. So who are we going to keep our eyes on? That's right, Janet Yellen. We have to keep our eyes on that. And then the Fed doesn't meet again until the middle of March. So please, guys, make sure you keep up with those dates. So we're going to get into the actual crypto news. Now, we have Ethereum did do a pullback. Of course, hit an all-time high yesterday, pulled back a little. Just like I stated, guys, we have the Ethereum futures. That's the reason why it's running up. Remember, Grayscale closed the Ethereum's trust. Do not forget about that. And then this article states Ethereum may become the main investment of 2021. I think definitely Ethereum is a asset to hold, guys. I go over Maribor several times. Please, when you're watching CNBC, you'll see a Maribor's interest rate, the ticker, going across. These LIBOR derivative swaps are going to be on Ethereum. That's what they're building. So I just want you to understand that you're talking about trillions of dollars. So definitely Ethereum is going to be that beast. But I still feel because we're still in the speculation phase, they're going to short it. And then it rises the same way how they did Bitcoin. There's no difference. Now we also have Ethereum-based consensus Quorum partners with China BSN blockchain. Now I just did a video earlier with Ripple XRP being over in Asia. Now, the fact is that we know that JP Morgan and Consistence are together. We know that's the Fed, central banks. They're all running this for the fourth industrial revolution. Now, we have crypto makes the World Economic Forum, Davos agenda. And again, in the video I did earlier with Ripple, it has the Economic Forum talking about the fourth industrial revolution. and Society 5.0. And I'm going to be doing more videos on Society 5.0. Now, we have blockchain-based COVID-19 passports to begin trials in first quarter. So like I stated in my previous video, that the C word is giving them the avenue to put this tech behind it. They have tech running right behind the C word. And we also have India trialing blockchain voting. So we know the way we've been voting, that's all they've been talking about is fraud, fraud, fraud. The reason why, because the fraud is going to set up what? The blockchain system. So it's problem, reaction, solution. That's how the New World Order gets to its goals. Remember, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Now we have Virginia tech firm Sequoia offers the staff to get paid in Bitcoin and Ethereum. We know over in Japan, they were paying the gamers in XRP. So we're going to see a lot more of this. Remember, Bitcoin was set up as a peer-to-peer payment system. Do not forget that. Now we have Bank of Singapore says crypto could replace gold as a store of value. Is that correct? No, it is not. The fact is that gold is God's money, and as we can see, evil is engineering Bitcoin as a store of value. I want us to see the difference. Remember what Michael Saylor stated. This is being engineered. That means man trying to take the place of God's item. Do not forget that. Remember, when it comes to technology, you can use it for either good or evil. It doesn't matter whether you're looking at cartoons, whether you're looking at movies. When it comes to the Marvel, you always have the good and the evil, the yin and the yang of universal forces. So that's the reason why you want to make sure your friends and family are being educated so you don't fall for these tricks, guys. And lastly, guys, we have Galaxy Digital launching a suite of Ethereum funds. They say we consider Ethereum to be a growth asset, and it definitely is. And just like I stated, guys, I've done several videos on Ameribor. Please check those out. I'll be doing more later on. But the fact is, just like I said, it has launched. The only thing you have to do is go on CNBC, and you'll see the actual rate going across it. Ameribor is quietly behind the curtain. Just like Bitcoin Lightning, just like Facebook DM, guys. You know they do all their work behind the curtain. But that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, the links are in the description. Book links in the description also. And then the stock channel, guys. Do not forget about the stock channel because it's definitely going to be a big week. You have your cobalt, chip stocks, banking, gaming. Also, while everybody's sitting at home, that home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's sitting at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.